What's up guys, welcome back to techminepro YouTube channel. So today we are back with another video, and to this video about airdrop, and this airdrop from SafePal wallet. We already know this, we already got many airdrop from SafePal wallet. We already got SafePal airdrop before. So if you search in the our telegram, so just type SafePal, you can see we have lots of, you can see we already received lots of airdrop from SafePal. So you can see, you can come here and search, and you can see all the airdrop we just got received from SafePal in the previous. So now SafePal come with the new airdrop, and they airdropping 1 million SFP to the new user who download the wallet first time, and they will get the airdrop. So if you want the airdrop, you just need to download the app. Just click on the download apps. So I'm just clicking here and just download the app. It's called SafePal Crypto Wallet. So just download it and open the wallet. So just open it. After that, just click on the get started. Now you need to input your password, and then you need to click next. So after enter your password, just click on I read and accept, and then click on next. Then just confirm a pattern, so I'm just confirming it. Done. Now just click on the start SafePal journey. Now you need to create a new wallet, so just click on the software wallet and just click on a new create new wallet and input your password. Now you need to click on generate. Just click on the generate and you will get the numeric passphrase. Now you need to save this seed phrase in your notepad, or just capture screenshot and save it in your gallery. So after save it, just click on next, and you need to rearrange all the word, then click on verify. So I'm just skipping it now. Now just enter a name. So it's done. Now what you need to do, just you need to search for BUSD. This is the BUSD, just add it and then go back, and you need to deposit BUSD from Binance, or where the balance you have, just deposit here. 100 to deposit 100 plus BUSD in this wallet. So after deposit, you need to click on dApps and then click on the SFP airdrop. Just click here, and after deposit $100 in the BUSD, you just need to click on the verify button. So after clicking verify, it will be completed. So after complete, you need to go to the referral one. So just click referral, and here you need to enter a referral code. You will get the referral code in my telegram channel. So this is the telegram channel. You just need to copy it. Just click on copy and just paste it in the paste it here, and just click on pair, and you can see it's done. Now you can also do some other tasks. So these are other tasks you can do: connect and transfer, make a swap with at least $100, and trade and exchange. These are optional tasks. If you want to do, and you can do, you will get bigger amount airdrop if you do all the tasks, but these are optional. And I will suggest to do all of these. This one maybe you can't do this if you don't have harder wallet. So I will suggest to do all of the above. So this one, and this one, and this one, and then the first one must. This is the must. You need to hold $100 in your wallet, USDC, USDT, BUSD, and you have to be in BNB chain. So be careful if you deposit in other blockchain. You need to deposit in BNB chain must. So see it carefully. So you can see in my Telegram channel I shared two screenshot. You can see I deposited $110 BUSD and I verified the first task. So after this you will be qualified for the airdrop, and you need to hold this amount till 30 November. So after 30 November you can withdraw it in your other wallet or Binance. It's your wish. So that's it. This is the video. Thanks for watching, and till then, goodbye.